It's no secret that today's decreasing insurance reimbursement rates are failing to keep up with the time you actually spend on scaling procedures. Acteon's F.L.A.G technology for B.LED addresses this problem with new technology that enables you to simultaneously detect and remove dental plaque. By visibly highlighting plaque, F.L.A.G for B.LED makes the scaling process faster, more efficient, and more effective. F.L.A.G for B.LED is a fluorescent disclosing liquid with fluorescein that targets active bacteria on dental plaque. The B.LED technology works by combining this fluorescent plaque disclosure with a patented blue LED light on the NEWTRON SLIM B.LED handpiece. Once applied, the F.L.A.G disclosing liquid that has affixed to dental plaque becomes fluorescent under the handpiece's blue light. Scaling then removes both the disclosure and the plaque itself. Tartar, which is generally easy to see with the naked eye, is not stained by the disclosure and remains orange or yellow. Although there are numerous other dental plaque revealers on the market today, none are as effective as F.L.A.G for B.LED. None can both reveal and treat dental plaque at the same time. Plus, many of these gels, solutions, and chewable tablets leave a long-lasting stain on the teeth and gums, unlike the coloration of the F.L.A.G plaque disclosure, which is easily removed with a final rinse. Because of its composition, F.L.A.G perfectly reveals both new and old plaque. By highlighting the areas that require your attention, it makes treatment both faster and more efficient, which of course boosts profitability for you. Without B.LED, we hardly see dental plaque. Once the F.L.A.G for B.LED has been applied, the plaque is clearly visible. After treatment, a new application of the F.L.A.G revealing solution lets you quickly check to see if any dental plaque remains. This clinical innovation doesn't just enable faster treatment, it also enables better treatment. F.L.A.G for B.LED reveals hidden dental plaque that cannot be seen with the naked eye and makes it easy for you to distinguish dental plaque from tooth colorations. As a result, scaling procedures are more accurate and healthy tissues are preserved. Once the F.L.A.G revealing solution has been applied, the NEWTRON SLIM B.LED handpiece provides perfect lighting of the areas to treat, with only the areas that are covered with dental plaque appearing fluorescent under the handpiece's light. Plus, the technology also reveals any plaque still remaining in areas that were unreachable with the tip used. As you know, most patients do not enjoy dental procedures. By enabling a shorter and more efficient scaling procedure, F.L.A.G for B.LED increases patient comfort and satisfaction. This in turn helps improve retention and referrals for your practice. The F.L.A.G for B.LED technology revolutionizes daily work and enables you to achieve clinical improvements for a number of treatments, including scaling, debridement, maintenance, and orthodontics. There are two ways to apply the F.L.A.G revealing liquid. If you are using the NEWTRON B.LED, apply the liquid directly onto all the tooth surfaces with a disposable brush, and then rinse lightly with water. The disclosure will remain fixed on areas that are covered with dental plaque. If necessary, repeat the application during the scaling procedure. If you are using the NEWTRON B.LED XS, you can either use the brush application method or put the F.L.A.G dental plaque disclosure into the irrigation tank of your device. In this case, pour one 1.5 milliliter bottle of F.L.A.G for B.LED into a 300 milliliter tank filled with water. Use 2 bottles if you have a 500 milliliter tank. Once sprayed onto teeth, the solution will stay fixed throughout the procedure to the areas that are covered with dental plaque. Once the solution has been applied, the blue light of your NEWTRON SLIM B.LED handpiece will reveal the areas that are covered with dental plaque. If necessary, deflect the operatory light to maximize the blue light's effectiveness. Begin your scaling and debridement procedures by following the fluorescent zones. When done, a final rinse of the mouth will remove all yellow fluorescence. Acteon's exclusive F.L.A.G for B.LED is part of a complete prophylaxis package that enables you to see better and treat faster. This package includes the SoproCare prophylaxis camera, which is an excellent tool for patient education, and the Air & Go Easy, which you can use to remove any stains that are left on the teeth. If you use the SoproCare in perio mode, it will make the F.L.A.G glow just like the blue light in the NEWTRON B.LED handpiece. This way you can reinforce patient education, case acceptance, and treat more quickly and efficiently. F.L.A.G for B.LED is Acteon's exclusive new technology for simultaneously revealing and removing dental plaque. By combining a fluorescent dental plaque discloser with the blue light of the NEWTRON SLIM B.LED handpiece, this technology provides greatly improved visibility. This improved visibility translates into faster, more efficient, and more effective scaling, debridement, maintenance, and orthodontic procedures, which is good news for